Oh, pulls from the fresh tank. So for sure.
Yeah, I mean, how many times do customers, when they're out there, they have to go inside? If they're going inside and cooking or cleaning or prepping food and the rest of the family's out underneath the awning, you want to feel still like you're camping. You want to feel like you're still enjoying the outdoors. And that's really what we wanted to bring to our customers, along with just that really nice new kind of contemporary look and feel, so that you don't feel like you're in grandma's trailer, right?
What's new for 2025 with Viking and Clipper?
What's new for 2025, our hottest product is the Rock. Typically, they are towable by a Subaru type product, entry level, off-grid product. So if the customer wants to option a collapsible ladder to get up there, they can do that as well. We talked about the Thule roof rack a little bit. 200 watt solar, you can actually add another panel. That controller has the option of doing 400 watts of solar. We can do that. We do a 5,000 BTU air conditioner. What we do different is we use GE appliances. So the way they certified this install is they said this thing has to stick out far enough to where the natural drain hole drips outside the trailer. So we don't run a drain pipe up the sidewall like a lot of our competitors do.
Just love to show. So I mean, this includes cat everything. #1 turning product I have between any of the lines. 12,000 rock. The look has came a long ways from where it was 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Well, new this year we got the 269 VC. If you can see now, it is a full window side, so everybody can look out onto the lakes, on a patio, whatever, and fortunately get a full outside view of it. We actually got the back patio now. It's not a toy hauler, it's actually like a party deck. We can actually entertain out there where you don't lose any of your living area, where you're not, a lot of them are doing a rear deck, you don't lose any living area whatsoever. So on the inside here, we got the living area, kitchen area, bedroom, all separate. Again, like I said, you got the full outside view. You got power shades. So lazy man camping, I'm all for it. You take this breakfast nook, watch it, it's gonna come over your way. Coming around here, which opens up the kitchen full tilt. But you also have a view of the outside deck. Hand out food there, entertain on the sides, or you can entertain through this window on the back deck part of the deck itself too.
Very unique side deck, sun deck. No one else in the industry has this. Covered totally with an awning. You can get 5 to 6 people on here easily. And again, it's the only fifth wheel in the industry that has a sun deck. As we walk through the glass patio doors into the kitchen, you can see we have plenty of room in here, lots of space, cabinetry, huge pantry. You have a full view of the TV, which is 70-inch and a 60-inch fireplace. Walk up into what feels like a home living room with an L-shaped couch, theater seats, a full view to the TV, and obviously the kitchen dinette, ample seating for everybody to be able to sit down. Just a beautiful unit.
Some of the things that we've done is, #1, from the outside, you'll see that we've moved to the new Mesa siding. That is like a nicer, thicker metal siding. It kind of gives you a nice little transition between metal and glass. The other thing that we've gotten into is our new blade lighting, both on the outside as well as the inside. As you look through our trailers, we've made a huge investment into lighting, because lighting really does control in a lot of ways kind of how you feel, right? So if you have that nice daylight type of lighting and those nice little archways and the nice little, just the aesthetically pleasing look that we do, that you see when you walk into our trailers, it just feels better. Along with that, of course, the larger windows that you see, and of course our new verandas that you've seen introduced as well this year.
So tell us a little bit about the veranda and the thought behind that and sort of what went into that.
So with the verandas, that was kind of a whole new idea, and that was, we wanted to create something with a deck on it. How many times would customers just love to have something with just that nice deck feel, but something that you can kind of have the versatility of going either traveling or going seasonally. And the bigger thing was that we've seen some decks in the market, and unfortunately what we found was that the trailer was built around the deck. So you'd have a deck, it's not a very practical deck. You try to have your coffee, you've got to put your feet up on the other end, because they're 48 to 58 inch decks. They don't have anything other than just the deck. And to us, and then the plans themselves, we just didn't think were something that we found that a customer would walk in and say, you know what, this is something that I want to invest my hard-earned money in. So we created these new verandas, and it's been really exciting. Now I have this big grill out on my deck. I have this big fridge out on my deck. I have this nice, sink on my deck. And probably one of the most important things about the veranda, I think, is that no matter how much you prep, if you've been camping for a while, when you're grilling outside, you're going in and out and up and down your trailer. And even with me, I'll still go up 20, 30 times to get something or to change something, and I'm upstairs and downstairs. With the veranda, now I'm cooking outside. I just slide that patio door open. I'm not doing stair climbers all day. I'm enjoying my camping experience, and I can do whatever I need to do on my outside kitchen without climbing up and down stairs all day.
That's awesome. Thanks for taking some time to tell us about the verandas and what's new at Salem. It was really great to see you.
Awesome. Hey, appreciate it, guys.
Thank you.
You bet.